Mongo have problem. Juice have too much sugar. That 19 gram and 8 ounces. That too much sugar. No problem. Mongo fix.
Golly gee willikers, Mongo. I mean, I know you can fix a lot of stuff, but what do you mean you're gonna fix the juice?
Mongo get empty container. See, container have rib. Bunch of ribs. Open up. And pour juice into clean empty container. Pour until it hit second rib. See, rib 1, this second rib. So that's good. Then we add water. Good clean water. Now there. 19 grams sugar per 8 ounces. Go to second rib. Now much less sugar. Now juice healthy. Because Mongo know. The healthy people know. You only need 20 to 25 grams of sugar per day. Now juice good. See? Mongo fix.